Hi guys! In this video I want to show you how you can make a picture with generative fill from nothing. I will try to make a landscape, so let's begin. With any tool I make a selection. I want to have mountains in this place. I choose one of the three options. Then I move onto the background layer and again make a selection and put the lake there. Of these options, I will choose the best and finish the places where the fill did not work correctly. I want to have a yacht floating on the lake. I will choose the best option. Let us draw conclusions. With generative fill, it is possible to create any picture you want, and it is very easy to do. See before and after. I think it's very good.